Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're so glad to have you here. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's jump right into today's video. Recommended books for Year 3 11 Plus preparation. Here are the essential maths books recommended for effective 11 Plus exam preparation. Explore these resources to build strong problem-solving skills and boost your child's confidence. This collection of CGP workbooks is perfect for helping your child master maths, whether they're in Year 3 or preparing for their 11 Plus exams. With options from foundational practice to advanced stretch challenges, these books provide targeted support to build confidence and boost skills. Target Your Maths Year 3 and its companion workbook are a must-have for solid foundation in maths. Perfectly aligned with the curriculum, they offer clear explanations and plenty of practice.